How to fix WhatsApp error on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix any type of general errors which you face within the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So there could be multiple type of errors which you receive within WhatsApp. Then we will look through all of that. So the very first thing we will do is, you can see WhatsApp, and let's say you're facing any type of general errors. I would always recommend you to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is fine, you can open up your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and then simply check if the WhatsApp app has an update available. You can go ahead and then update this application to the latest version. The other thing you could do, however, is also you could simply go to the app information page right by tapping on this eye icon, and then you could go to storage. And I would recommend you to always clear your cache to keep it very clean and junk free. And if you want, you could also clear the data. Go to permissions, make sure you have allowed all of the permissions, make sure it is set to allow. And then you can also come back to notifications. You also want to make sure that notifications are allowed. You can go to notification categories, allow all of this as well. And other thing you could do is, if none of these solutions work, then I would always recommend you to uninstall and then reinstall it, because uninstalling and reinstalling will actually, you can have the option to also delete or keep your data. So you can keep the data, and when you relog in back into WhatsApp next time, it will basically ask you to go ahead and then restore all of those data, and most likely one of these would definitely help solve your problem. If it did help solve your issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and see you soon in our next video.